Since pre-industrial times, the average temperature at the Earth's surface has risen by just over 1 degree Celsius, largely due to the increased levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere as a result of human activity. As a result, many weather extremes are changing in frequency or intensity across the globe. Heat waves have become more intense, frequent, and long-lasting. Research has shown that events such as the 2020 Siberian heat wave would have been highly unlikely to take place at a similar magnitude without human influence. In many parts of the world, climate change is making droughts worse. Higher temperatures enhance evaporation, and so regions which are naturally dry can become even drier. This can lead to a positive feedback loop, where as the soils become drier, less evaporative cooling occurs, raising surface temperatures even further. This combination of hotter and drier conditions is lengthening fire seasons and increasing the risk of destructive wildfires around the world. Such wildfires negatively impact air quality. It's estimated they're responsible for approximately 165,000 premature deaths each year. One area that is warming 3 times faster than the global average is the Arctic, a process we call Arctic amplification. Due to the declining temperature difference between the poles and the lower latitudes, climate change could weaken Earth's jet streams, which would have consequences for weather systems at the surface. For every 1 degree Celsius of warming, the atmosphere is able to accommodate up to 7% more water vapour, meaning it can produce more intense rainfall, which may lead to flooding. Climate change is also causing sea surface temperatures to increase, which is providing more fuel for tropical cyclones. In recent decades, both the intensification rate and probability of tropical cyclones reaching higher categories has increased. Their impacts at the coast are also becoming worse due to rising sea levels. There is growing evidence that many extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense in a warming climate. Unless the world rapidly cuts emissions and reaches net zero, this impact of climate change will continue to be widely felt. The weather affects your daily life, no matter who you are or where you live.